Oh, come on, please be good, please be good. And stop cock blocking me with a bloody feature symbol. Oh, come on. Can't move for feature symbols now, can you? And shitty symbols as well. Oh, come on, that's got to be half decent, surely now. I think that's got to be pretty good, isn't it? Still bloody gave me all those bonus symbols in the way. Come on! Happy days. Do that again. That'd be just amazing. Oh, yes, 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 yes! Okay. Pretty much did it again. Sweet. $200 and... ooh, quite a lot.